right, here's what had happened today. I woke up attempting to go to work / home. So I hopped on the G train on Hoyt-Skimmerhorn and proceeded to go down to Brooklyn to get to my stop. But instead got stuck there in the train in between Hoyt-Skimmerhorn and Bergen stops of the G for approximately 3 hours. It has been raining in New York overnight, but I didn't think that it was any bigger of a storm that we've had before where the trains didn't stop running.
Look at this fucking shit. Look at this. Look at this.
Or the tunnels didn't get flooded. This is just to show that the infrastructure of New York is wearing thin, because this is the very first time for me, who's been in New York for 15 years, to be stuck in a train for almost 3 hours. Climate change, baby! Alright, welcome to hour 2.5.
8:30. Right, it's 8:40. 8:40. Right. 8:40. Absolutely. Yeah.
Who got talent? Who got talent? Who got talent?
Being in an enclosed space for a very long time, a lot of people aren't really that comfortable. So, you know, kids not getting to school, not being able to tell their parents where they're at, because there's no signal in the middle of the train stations or in the tunnel itself. We have people missing work. I myself missed a couple of really important meetings.
National not go to work day or wherever you're going. We get to know each other. We're just here, out of our heads.
3 hours.
Hey, I'm so sorry I'm late. The subway station was flooded from all the rain last night, so I had to swim from street level through the turnstile and then tread water until the subway came. But I was a swimmer growing up, so 400 meters freestyle really is like no biggie. I just have to pop out to the emergency room during lunch because I sold some subway water, but I shouldn't be too long.
But, you know, some people needed bio breaks. Say people, you know, needed to go to the bathroom. Some people can get claustrophobic if they're in that enclosed space for such a long time.
Right. They're like actually going.
And then it got a little wild. Like, people just started getting off the cart. So in between train cars, there's a little gap. Those doors in between train cars, you know, slide open so people can. They're not advised to, but they can move from one car to the other. But people use that little space in between to maybe a little bit pee a little bit. Started smoking in that particular area, but you know, at some point people just started jumping off.
Patrol, we got the 816 George. Out of one square at this time. We got people on the road that we cannot move the train. We need assistance.
And that kind of posed a huge problem, because now, you know, can't go forward because we're stuck. There's another train in front of the station. Now with people on the tracks, you just can't move at all. So it was really problematic for a quick bit. People are just like jumping off the train in the middle of the tunnel now.
And they can't go nowhere. There's 2 trains out there. Where they gonna walk to? It's just crazy.
Luckily, after all the hullabaloo, the people that got off the train realized that there wasn't anywhere else to go, so they just came back.
That way is poised. There's no one back there because they stopped. We gonna try this again? They said they got the train out the station. So, please, if you see somebody who want to get on, stop them, because we can't move with them out there, okay? And I thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You saved the day.
Boss lady, right?
And almost 3 hours later, we finally got the train in front of us to move. So our train can stop at the station. We can now all get off and find alternative ways to get home.
Never been so happy in my life.
Salvation.
Hold on, let me put my phone. I know everybody.
All the phones are ringing now.
Y'all, we made it.
It's
Time to go.
Everybody's on the phone. All 3 hours. Uber prices were insane for most of the day. Couldn't do that. Didn't want to take a train again. Didn't want a chance being stopped. Plus, there was notices in Google Maps saying that the stops between J Street and Church Avenue, one of which is my stop, has no trains running in both directions. So I just waited it out. Yeah, eventually prices did go down. Rain did stop. And I'm finally home, back. The reason why I'm back, I needed to come home this day. That little fella. Say hi, Whiskey. Hey, Whiskey. There we go. Adventure!
None of y'all know how to sing?
Showtime, showtime?
I didn't know how to do that.
Showtime at the Apollo.
Look at this fucking shit. I'm fucking shocked. Report on live, Skiff TV. You already know what time it is. Yo, you alright? Never. We in the Bronx/Yonkers, Bronx River Road right now. This shit crazy. This New York right now, y'all. Look at. Yo, you alright? Yo, gangland, I can't swim. Nah, y'all see this? This shit heavy. This the how easy, y'all. Do not, nah, for real, do not enter. There's a word for